advice do you have from all the research you've done on the best way to deal with memory issues and memory loss?
Well, I think that's a very important question, and it's a concern I have about vegans, given some advice by some popular vegan gurus who are telling people that they don't need to take any DHA for potential DHA deficiencies that occur in a vegan diet. In other words, DHA and EPA are commonly thought of fish oil because fish is a rich source, or certain fatty fishes are a rich source of EPA and DHA. The controversial question here, do all humans on a vegan diet produce sufficient amount of EPA and DHA without taking a supplement or any food source of EPA and DHA? And these nutritional advisors are advocating their followers that nobody has to worry about that. And that a vegan diet will give you adequate amounts if you eat healthfully is just not true. In my 30 years of practice as a physician specializing in caring for this community, I've seen numerous people, more than 100 people, that develop severe problems, major depression, or it's dementia. I even have patients right now who are in great health in their 90s, but they're demented because they were on vegan diets and didn't take DHA. And I've taken their blood and found the DHA levels to be almost non-existent. And there are studies that document brain shrinkage with DHA deficiency. In other words, what I'm saying right now is the studies show that as the omega-3 index and DHA level goes down to very low levels, we have higher probabilities of shrinkage of the brain and dementia developing. It's not the only cause of dementia. Many other causes of dementia. The lack of fruits and vegetables can cause dementia. B12 can cause dementia. But one cause of dementia is severe DHA deficiency can cause dementia. And it's not, and there were studies done also on 166 vegans documenting, who are not supplementing, by the way, with DHA, documenting their level of omega-3 index and DHA in their bloodstream, demonstrating that many vegans, about 25% actually, were severely deficient in DHA to the point where brain shrinkage may have occurred had they aged and not without fixing that. I'm adamant, and I think it's dangerously irresponsible that you have vegan leaders giving some hypothesis or belief system to reassure people that nothing's going to happen with them, when in fact it does happen. And who are they to be taking these risks with people's lives like this? It's a tremendous amount of, how should I say, egotistical callousness to put people at risk and not tell them honestly that DHA deficiency is a possibility on a vegan diet. And they should be concerned about it and either check a blood test to make sure you're one of the people that's producing enough, or take a supplement to make sure you have some DHA exposure. So it's something I'm very passionate about and have to be yelling about, because I see in my practice for the last 30 years too much needless damage and needless tragedies occurring due to this bad advice.